Hi everyone, it's Terry here from nutsaboutsstamping.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you a beautiful New Year's card idea that I'm going to create with the help of my die cutting machine and the So Many Stars bundle. I love this bundle. I've used it a lot for Christmas, but when I actually got it home and started to play with it the first week, I realized it's so much more than Christmas. It could also be for New Year's. So I'm going to show you a sparkly New Year's card idea. My card base is going to be Whisper White. I cut it 8.5 by 5.5 and I've scored it on the 4 1/4 mark. And to that, I'm going to add a piece of Feels Like Frost Designer Series paper. When I first got this paper, I also tended to use this side of it, and I really didn't know what to do with the other side until today, when I realized it would be perfect for a New Year's card. So let me adhere this to the front of my card. Get it nice and straight, like so. And then I have a piece of the sparkle glimmer paper, and I'm going to put some adhesive on the back of that. And I'm going to adhere that to the front of my card on top of the Designer Series paper. So it's starting to take shape. Next, I'm going to use the phrase, "Sending you love and plenty of cheer. May your days be bright throughout all the year." And I have some smoky slate ink. And I'm going to ink up this phrase. And I'm going to stamp it down on the right-hand side of my card. Because now I want to create some embellishments using the dies pack that goes with the So Many Stars stamp set. So let me put this aside and show you. I have a scrap piece of Whisper White, and I've got one of the larger star dies. And then from the same sparkle paper, I'm going to die cut one of the more decorative star dies. Now, before the video began, I used some of my Sizzix permanent adhesive sheets. I like to use these sheets on the back of like the glimmer paper or more decorative embellishments because it'll help them stick. It basically creates a sticker. So I'm going to bring in my die cutting machine, and I'm going to die cut both stars at the same time. And because this one is decorative, I'm going to go back and forth a little bit because that helps all those little bits to come out. So I'm going to go back, and then I'll go forward. And that extra second of pressure can sometimes make all the difference. So my star easily comes out. Let me poke this one out. And I'm going to bring in my tool. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video, and I'm going to poke out all these little bits and pieces from the framelit, or from the die, sorry. And then I'll be back and I'll show you how to finish off the card. All right, I'm back. And let's finish off the card. So I have this large white star, and I'm just going to put some snail on the back of it. And I think I'm going to angle it a little bit, like so. And then I have the sparkle glimmer paper star, and I'm going to attach that on top of the Whisper White. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I think that's absolutely gorgeous. Now, one other detail that I'm going to add after the video is over, these are the snowflake sequins, And I think because of the pattern in the designer series paper, it might be nice to add some snowflakes, but they take a little while to dry. I always adhere mine with the fine tip glue pen, so I'll go ahead and do that after the video is over, and then you can head on over to my blog, www.nutsaboutstamping.com, and you'll be able to see a final product or picture of the final product over on my blog. And while you're on my blog, consider subscribing to my free newsletters. I have a newsletter that I send out every week with a project idea you won't see anywhere else. And starting next week, I'll be featuring the new mini catalog and new celebration products. And you won't want to miss those. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I hope you create something sparkly and beautiful today too. Bye for now.